Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for Data Analysis course. In this video, we will learn how to download and set up Python on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First, here is what you will learn today. We will cover downloading Python, installing it, setting the path variable, and verifying the installation. By the end, you will be ready to write your first Python code. Start by opening your browser and visiting the official Python website python.org. Navigate to the download section and click on the latest version of Windows. Easy, right? Once the file is downloaded, open it to run the installer. Now here is the crucial step. Check the box that says add Python to path. This makes it easier to run Python commands from anywhere. After that, you can click Install Now for default settings or customize the installer if you prefer. After installation, it's time to verify. Open the command prompt and type python dash dash version. You should see the Python version number. This means Python is installed correctly. Now that we have seen the steps, let's switch to my screen and do a live demo of downloading and setting up Python. Let's open a browser and visit python.org. I will navigate to the download section and click on the latest Python version for Windows. We are doing it for Windows. We can also download it for macOS and other platforms. Another platform we can see it is available for AIX, IBM iOS. As we can see the installer is downloaded. Let's open it. Remember to check the box add Python to path. This step is crucial for running Python commands. Now I will click install now. The installation has started. This might take a minute or two, so be patient. Now that it is installed, I will open my command prompt. Let's type python dash dash version and press enter. We can see the version number is displayed. That is, in my case, is 3.13.1, which is the latest one, which we downloaded just now. This can be different according to the time you are watching this video. As you can see, the version is displayed, meaning the Python is installed. Now let's type the Python to open the Python shell. As we can see, the Python shell is open now. We can type our first code, that is print hello world. When we press enter, we can see hello world, which means this is working perfectly. We can also do many operations like addition, multiplication, and subtraction, and many more things which we can do elsewhere else. That's how it is easy to set up Python on Windows. Now you are ready to start coding. In the next video, we will install Anaconda and write our first code in Jupyter Notebook. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share with anyone who is interested in learning Python. Thank you and Jai Hind.